Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to corporate accounting important questions. So I got tremendous support from you people for the business law paper and as well as income tax important questions list. Now here I am with another subject corporate accounting, which is for general students and old batch students also. They are having corporate accounting subject, old syllabus students. It is for both. So without wasting further more time, let us discuss the uh, important questions. Okay, so first of all, please remember uh, any 3 units you should be perfect. So those 3 units you need to identify and be perfect. My suggestion for that purpose is, one is company liquidation, which is easy so as compared to other topics. What are the contributors with respect to liquidation of companies? That is, A list and B list contributors will be there. A short question may come from there. And preferential creditors are preferential payments whom we will pay ahead of any other person. So this question may also be asked. What is company liquidation or winding up? Simple question they may ask. Sometime procedure for calculation of liquidator remuneration. Directly procedure they will ask how you will calculate liquidator remuneration. Some percentage on the assets realized will be there, and next amount paid to unsecured creditors and preferential creditors will be there. See, unsecured creditors includes preferential creditors also. So please be careful with the calculation of remuneration. And secured creditors, unsecured creditors, one more question is there. And liquidator remuneration related problems, short problems may be asked. Okay, hope you have understood till here. Okay, let us see the remaining long questions. Direct question they may ask, what is liquidation of company? Explain the various modes of liquidation. Okay, he may say winding up, both are one and the same. Statement of affairs method. Okay, I'm saying statement of affairs method. Describe the procedure for its preparation. Okay, this is a format based question. Just learn the liquidator final statement of affairs related format. That's it. What do you understand by liquidator final statement of account? Okay, sometimes he may ask you how you will prepare the liquidator final statement of account. That is, receipt side what will come, payment side, debit side what will come, and expenses sorry, income side what will come. That is what receipt side, and payment side, credit side what will appear in the liquidator final statement of account we need to explain. In which situation companies goes into liquidation? Sometimes this is C category question, sometimes may be asked. These are generally A category questions they will ask. Problems relating to liquidator final statement of account only you do. Don't do the problems relating to affairs method because it is very lengthy one. You need to remember lot of things. So this format you prepare, and for here problems you do, and this theory questions you prepare. This is C category, these two three are A category as theory point of view. Okay, this is about liquidation. Next, amalgamation. People will have a problem with the amalgamation itself. So what is amalgamation in the nature of merger, or what is amalgamation in the nature of purchase? Direct theory questions may be asked. And objectives of amalgamation of companies, purchase consideration calculation related problems, as well as what is purchase consideration, direct theory question may come. Sometimes difference between amalgamation and external reconstruction, amalgamation and absorption, they may ask you differences from the different point of view. See, if you don't know how to solve the amalgamation in the nature of purchase and amalgamation in the nature of merger, if you don't understand how to solve the problems, my simple suggestion is, for amalgamation purpose, please learn these theory questions, difference between amalgamation in the nature of merger as well as amalgamation in the nature of purchase, differences. What is purchase consideration? Explain the various methods of calculating purchase consideration. This question may be asked in the unit 2 amalgamation, or in the unit 3 in case of business acquisition also that question may be asked. So amalgamation related, though these theory questions you need to do. And amalgamation, difference between pooling of interest method and purchase method, recording of transaction related differences, how you will account. This is method. There are two methods, merger, another one is purchase. From accounting point of view, pooling of interest method and amalgamation in the nature of purchase method. So if it is merger, you follow pooling of interest method. If it is purchase method, you will follow amalgamation. If it is in the purchase nature, then amalgamation in the nature of purchase. If conditions, 5 conditions are satisfied, it will be amalgamation in the nature of merger, otherwise it will be treated as purchase. Okay, this is about amalgamation. Learn the theory, don't worry, they may ask theory question from the amalgamation. Okay, next you need to concentrate on the this internal reconstruction and business acquisition. इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन पे ज़्यादा फोकस करो, एक इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम आएगा. व्हाट इज इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन, नीड फॉर इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन, व्हाट इज बिजनेस एक्विजिशन, एंड these are theory questions generally asked. And calculation of goodwill or capital reserve in case of business acquisition. This there is one problem relating to it, you do those things. And what is internal reconstruction, explain the process of recording transactions of for internal reconstruction or general entries for internal reconstruction. Direct theory question may be asked. Next, general entries in the books of purchasing company or general entries in the books of selling company, these are related to business acquisition. Okay, so these may be asked as a theory question. Next, internal reconstruction problems you do, that will be more than sufficient. First preference you give for this, then you additionally as a backup, because I am saying 2 units you should be perfect. So this is one of those units where less number of questions are there and you can easily convert. If you know general entries for the purpose of purchasing company in the case of business acquisition, same is there for in the books of purchasing company in case of amalgamation, transferor company, selling company, and transferee company, purchasing company. That is what in case of amalgamation we call. And next, very important one, bank accounts. If you are thorough with bank accounts, internal reconstruction and liquidation, you can easily pass the कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग सब्जेक्ट. सो ये थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ने वाले हैं. व्हाट इज स्लिप सिस्टम एंड व्हाट आर द अकाउंटिंग. ओके, सब्सिडरी बुक्स एंड प्राइमरी बुक्स विल बी देयर इन केस ऑफ बैंक अकाउंट्स, वो थोड़ा पढ़ लेना. देन रिबेट ऑन बिल्स डिस्काउंट, एक्सप्लेन द नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट्स, NPA, how you will classify an asset or an advance as NPA, that is relating to. And problems relating to schedule 13, 14, 15, 16 of profit and loss account. And profit and loss account short problems, just you write the pro forma, you will get the answer, like that questions are there. And secured creditors, unsecured creditors, oh actually these secured creditors, unsecured creditors are relating to first unit, liquidation unit, liquidation से related वाले हैं. So by mistake यहाँ पे आगे this secured creditors unsecured creditors comes under liquidation topic, so please consider that one as liquidation. In the description file of this video I'll change and I'll put it in here. Okay, that is what I'm thinking. Somewhere something gone wrong. Here two questions, not here. First unit, where is first unit? Here. These secured creditors unsecured creditors have come here in case of bank accounts, so these two are not form part of this, and make it this as sixth question, calculation of interest on performing assets and non-performing assets. Please remember, in case of performing assets interest earned will be taken. In case of non-performing assets, interest received will be considered. One problem is there, short problem, you do that one, that is enough. Okay, video length ज़्यादा हो रहा I know, but कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग सब्जेक्ट थोड़ा आपको समझाना पड़ेगा तभी आप कर सकते. सो यहाँ पे ये दो क्वेश्चन ऊपर वाले हैं, यहाँ पे आगे बाय मिस्टेक. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस, फॉर्म ए बैलेंस शीट of banking companies, form B profit and loss account of banking companies you need to do. Classification of advances as standard assets, substandard assets, doubtful assets and loss assets. Classification is there when you will consider it as standard, substandard, doubtful and loss assets, and related how you will consider provision for bad debts relating to it, that is also you need to remember. And problems relating to P&L account, problems relating to balance sheet and problems relating to advances. Schedule 9 separately A, B, C category में advances का classification रहता. Please remember, total of A, total of B, total of C will be same. Just for the classification purpose, advances A, B, C तीन category में divide होते. One is nature wise, another one security wise, another one in India, outside India. Classification will be there. Public sector in India also, primary sector, public sector and others classification also will be there. Okay, related problems are there in the textbook. In the last you do those things. And next thing is accounting for insurance companies and insurance claims. Here we are having a big lengthy chapter. So annuities, surrenders, average class, loss of stock policy and problems relating to premium, commission paid, benefits paid, operating expenses. These are relating to problems relating to life insurance. And long questions relating to explain the final accounts prepared by life insurance company. Sometimes he may ask for general insurance company also. Formats of life insurance companies, what are those formats? Revenue account format, P&L account format and balance sheet format you need to remember. And formats for general insurance also same, revenue account, P&L account and balance sheet formats you need to remember. Next we are having revenue account related problems and general of LIC and revenue account related problems of general insurance companies. One is life insurance companies, another one is general insurance companies we need to do. Next, difference between life insurance and general insurance. Sometimes they may give laddu wala question, this question. And explain the procedure for calculation of insurance claim under loss of stock policy. Explain the procedure for calculation of insurance claim under loss of profits policy. These are two questions very much you need to go through for the 5th unit. That's it. एंड सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस, प्रिपेयर वेल, ओके, प्रिपेयर द बेस्ट टू प्रेजेंट बेटर देन बेस्ट। बेस्ट प्रिपेयर करना, बेटर देन द बेस्ट प्रेजेंट करना, ये अपना गोल रहना है। यहाँ पे मैं वीडियो एंड कर रहा हूँ। प्लीज़ शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। जनरल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये कॉमन पेपर है, जनरल स्टूडेंट्स का ये पेपर है कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग। एंड ओल्ड सिलेबस वालों के लिए दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द कॉमन पेपर टू देम। For new syllabus students who are from 2019 batch onwards, for them general only it is for general students, not for computer students. And last but not least, like, share and subscribe the video, क्योंकि एक किसी को यूज़ होगा तो अच्छा रहेगा, दुआ मिलेगा। Thank you for your support to the channel. Subscribe the channel so that you will get more information as soon as I upload the video. सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। जय हिंद।